Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best long-range paintball products that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to upgrade your gear or optimize your performance, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Paintball Marker Barrel Folding Double Swab Squeegee by Aupkio. This product is a must-have for anyone who prioritizes clean and efficient barrel maintenance during gameplay. Made of pure cotton, the swabs are incredibly soft yet durable, offering strong cleaning power to remove debris and residue from your paintball marker barrel with ease. The plastic rod is designed to bend freely, ensuring it won't break even under pressure. Plus, these swabs are reusable, making them a cost-effective solution for regular maintenance. In terms of design and build quality, the double swab squeegee is lightweight and compact, measuring 16 inches in length, yet folding neatly for easy storage. The bright red color ensures it's easy to spot in your gear bag, and the materials used, cotton and flexible plastic, are built to last. With a 3-pack included, you'll always have a backup ready, which is great for extended gameplay sessions or team use. However, this product is more of an accessory than a core component of your paintball setup, which limits its impact compared to other products on this list. It's ideal for players who want to maximize barrel cleanliness for accuracy and prevent long-term wear on their equipment. While it has a niche purpose, its affordable and reusable design makes it a great tool for maintenance enthusiasts. Pros include strong cleaning power, flexibility, and reusability, while cons are that this isn't a core gameplay product and doesn't directly enhance marker performance. At number 4, we have the Paintball Marker Oil Lube by Captain O-Ring. Designed to keep your paintball marker running smoothly, this high-quality lubricant ensures optimal performance by reducing friction and improving air efficiency. Unlike some silicone or Teflon-based oils, this formula won't deteriorate O-rings over time, extending the life of your marker's wearable components. Compatible with all major brands, including Tippmann and Eclipse, this oil is a versatile choice for players with mixed setups. The 1-ounce bottle comes with a convenient dropper design, making application precise and mess-free. Manufactured by Captain O-Ring LLC, this lubricant is backed by a solid warranty and is proudly made in the USA. Its silicone-based composition is known for its durability and effectiveness in high-performance environments, making it perfect for both casual and competitive players. Whether you're maintaining your marker's O-rings or lubricating moving parts, this oil ensures smooth operation and reduces the risk of malfunctions during gameplay. While the Paintball Marker Oil Lube is an essential maintenance product, it doesn't directly impact gameplay like a marker or CO2 system would. It's ideal for players who value longevity and consistent performance in their gear. Pros include its compatibility with multiple brands, O-ring safety, and ease of use, but its limited gameplay impact may make it less exciting for players looking for immediate upgrades. Taking the 3rd spot is the JT Paintball 88G pre-filled CO2 cylinders, offered as a convenient 6-pack. These pre-filled CO2 cylinders are ready to use right out of the box, providing a reliable and long-lasting power source for your paintball marker, airgun, or airbow. Each cylinder is designed to deliver consistent performance, ensuring your marker operates at peak efficiency during extended gameplay sessions. The design is user-friendly, with effortless installation that minimizes downtime between matches, although an adapter is required for some paintball markers. Model number 40293 or 40298, the universal compatibility makes these cylinders a versatile choice for players with diverse setups. The build quality is solid, and the CO2 cylinders are lightweight yet durable, making them easy to carry in your gear bag. While these cylinders don't directly enhance accuracy or range, they're essential for ensuring uninterrupted gameplay, especially during long scenarios or woods ball matches. Pros include their convenience, reliability, and universal compatibility, while cons are the need for an adapter and the lack of direct impact on gameplay performance. Ideal for players who want a hassle-free power solution, this six-pack ensures you're always prepared for action. At number 2, we have Captain O-Ring Pure Dow 33 Paintball Lubricant Grease. This 1-ounce jar contains high-grade Dow 33 grease, recommended by most paintball marker manufacturers for its ability to extend performance and improve air efficiency. Known as SL33K and GR33SE in the paintball community, this lubricant is the same formula used in many high-end markers straight from the factory. If you're serious about maintaining your gear, this grease is a no-brainer for optimal O-ring lubrication and smooth operation. The grease is filled by volume into a compact jar, which is easy to store and transport. Manufactured by Captain O-Ring LLC and proudly made in the USA, this product is backed by a solid warranty, giving players peace of mind. Its advanced formula ensures durability and reliability across a wide range of marker brands and models, making it a versatile addition to your maintenance arsenal. While this product is highly effective for long-term marker care, it doesn't directly enhance range or accuracy during gameplay. Pros include its high-quality formula, compatibility across brands, and reputation as an industry standard. Cons are its niche focus on maintenance rather than gameplay enhancement. Perfect for players who want the best possible care for their equipment, Dow 33 Grease is a premium choice for serious enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.